12th math student, let us do some problem from exercise 13.1. Chapter is probability. See question number first. In this question, PE means probability of event E is 0.6. PF probability of event F is 0.3 and PE intersection F is 0.2. Then find PE by F and PF by E. So PE by F is by formula PE intersection F upon PF, putting the value PF by E is equal to PF intersection E upon PE, putting the value. Now see question number 2 you can do, apply the formula. 3 also same as question number 1. Here PA, probability for event A is 0.8, PB 0.5 and PB by A is given 0.4. So in first part, PA intersection B is P A by B into PB and P, this is also equal to PB by A into PA. Putting the value and find the intersection, probability for intersection. Okay, now see it's the second part, PA union B. Apply the formula PA plus PB minus PA intersection B. PA, PB and PA intersection B. From above result, putting the value, first you will find PA intersection B. Or PA intersection B is equal to PA by B into PB or PB by A into PA. Okay, so you can determine PA intersection B and then putting in this formula for PA union B. Now see question number 4, 5 you can do, only here you have to apply the formula for conditional probability PA by B, PA intersection B upon PB or PE by F, PE intersection F upon PF. Okay, so from in question number 6, here you have to find PE by F. From question number 6 to 9, a coin is tossed 3 times. So you first describe the sample space, means possible outcomes. When a coin is tossed 3 times, it may show in all 3 times head H, or all 3 times tail, or 1 time head, 2 time tail, there will be 3 set, 2 time tail, 1 time head, there will be 3 set, means total number of outcomes or result NS is equal to 2 cube is equal to 8. Now, so E event is head on third toss. So now write the event which shows a head on third toss, but in first 2 may be head or tail. Okay, now F is event head on first 2 tosses. So in first 2 tosses should be head and in third may be head or tail. So write the event E and F from S, then write E intersection F, means common in both E and F. Here E and E means number of result or outcomes in E is 4, number of outcomes in F is 2, and in E intersection F there is only one outcomes common H, triple H. Now for PE by F, apply the formula PE intersection F upon PF or NE intersection F upon ENF. So here you can write like PF. Okay, so putting the value NE intersection F, there is only one outcomes, and in F there are 2 outcomes, so 1 by 2. See its third part. In third part, question number 6, E at most 2 tail. At most 2 tail means 2 tail, 1 tail and no tail. So for 2 tail results are TTH, THT, HTT. फिर 1 tail for at most मिनिमम तक आना है, 2 1 नोट है, ओके। एंड लीस्ट में मिनिमम से मैक्सिमम तक। तो 2 टेल के रिजल्ट है TTH, THT, HTT, 1 टेल THH, HTH, HST, and no tail, that is head. Now F is at least 1 tail, means कम से कम 1 टेल, तो 1 टेल, 2 टेल and 3 टेल। तो रिजल्ट फॉर 1 टेल THH, HTH, HST, फिर 2 टेल TTH, THT, HTT, then 3 tail TTT. Then write common in both E and F, that is E intersection F, write the results. Then find PE by F, PE intersection F upon PF. So in intersection there are 6 results and in F there are 7 results. So 6 by 7. Now see one more question. Question number 8. A die is thrown thrice. Means when a die is thrown thrice, so number of result will be 6 cube, means 2 1 6. You can't write all results. So here you have to write only total number of result, NS. And E is event for when die appear 4 on third task. So on third task 4 appearing 4 on third task. So in first 2 it may show any results from 1 to 6. Any result means in first time there will be 6 option, in second time 6 option, and but in third time there will be only 1 option. Why? Because 4 is fixed in third, means 6 into 6 into 1, that is 36 results. So according to the statement in E event, when die shows 4 in third task, there will be 36 results out of 2 1 6. Okay, so 30 certainly you can write here E is equal to X Y 4. So X and Y may take 1 to 6 number. So in place of X there will be 6 option, in place of Y 6, and 4 is fixed in third, means 1. So 6 into 6 into 1. So you can write here total number of result in E is 36. Now in F 6 first 2 tosses. So 6 and 5 appear on first 2 tosses respectively. So 6 in first, 5 in second toss. Means in first 2 toss numbers are fixed. Means 1 option for first toss, 1 option for second, and for third toss it may show any number from 1 to 6. So there will be 6 options for third toss. So total number of result will be NF 1 into 1 into 6, that is 6. And for this event you can write the result 6 5 1, 6 5 2, 6 5 3, 6 5 4, 6 5 5, 6 5 6. Because number of result is less, so for event F you can write. Now find the intersection. So see here E event 4 is fixed in third task, and first 2 may show any number from 1 to 6, and in F result first 2 tosses number are fixed, and in third task it may show from 1 to 6. So in both common result 6 5 4. 6 5 4 is common, means there is only one common result in both E and F. So here when you find E by F, so PE by F is PE intersection F upon PF, that is 1 by 6. Okay.